like to welcome you all to the Battle of the Nightingales, Year 2, Luzon Cluster. And it is my pleasure to guide you through today's proceedings. So maraming salamat po.
Magandang hapon po sa kanilang lahat, sa ating mga bisita at lalong-lalo na sa mga future frontliners. So, alin ang mas nakaka-nervyos? Umattend ng quiz bee o mag-CPR sa emergency room? So, pareho yang nakaka-nervyos, pero these are trials para sa inyo.
To welcome everyone again sa ating afternoon activity today. It is a great honor to welcome you all, our delegates, the coaches, the dean, kung may mga dean dito. Of course, ang mga estudyante natin. So I'd like also to welcome all other Metro Pacific hospitals that are presented here. Guests natin, if we do have others.
Meron daw sikreto para ma-determine natin kung sino yung posibleng manalo this afternoon. Number 1 daw, how constant was the preparation? Ang pangalawa daw ay experience. And number 3 daw, teamwork. Next daw becomes speed. How fast can you recall the answer? Lastly, tinitignan yung track record. Congratulations, you are brave enough to be here at i-expose ang sarili ninyo sa nervyos. But again, this is just part of your being full-fledged nurse in the future. Ito ay preparation ninyo sa pagiging nurse ninyo. Whatever you are learning today is our key in saving the lives of our patients. Kasi kung magagaling kayo, mataas ang chances ng mga pasyente natin to survive. So again, good luck to everyone.
Again, you guys will continue to uphold the high standard of care that our patient and community deserve. We're excited to witness the remarkable knowledge, skill, and passion that each team will showcase this afternoon. May this event ignite the deeper commitment to excellence in nursing, and may it remind us all of the invaluable contribution of nurses in everyday's life of the hospital. Again, I'm very happy to be joining you and watching you compete today, and good luck to all of you.